Every crypto breakout can break down. We trade this strategy with very candles. Criteria is for coin to fair in established uptrend or downtrend on a bearish chart. We are also watching Bitcoin to be above 26 EMA for an uptrend or below 26 EMA for a downtrend. Market cap to be at least 1 billion. Average 90-day volume to be higher than 100 million. And we are watching daily candles, resistance support to be touched at least 3 times. Rules: set up for an uptrend. We buy a few cents or dollars over the resistance. This depends on the coin price. If the price is in cents, you're buying few cents about. If the price is big price like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're buying a few dollars over the resistance. Stop loss is last support level. Profit 75% at a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Then we raise a stop to an entry level. This sell remaining 25% and the 1 to 4 risk to reward. For downtrend, this short few cents or dollars under the support. This also depends on the coin price. Stop loss is the last resistance level. Profit 75% at the 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Then we raise a stop to an entry level. We call remaining 25% at the 1 to 4 risk to reward. For example, if we have any of the coins that meet our criteria, trading and then patch the resistance line first time, second time, third time, then it takes our attention. We put this calling on our watch list and we are watching what is happening next. The next thing low was right here. Then we are setting the price to buy a few cents over the resistance. This will be also a few dollars if we are trading Ethereum or Bitcoin or any coin that the price is at a high volatility in dollars. We put our stop immediately at the last thing low. Once the price reached 2.5 risk to reward, we gave 75% of the profits and we move our stop immediately to the buying price. So after that, they are trading with more risk. If the price goes back down, they get out at our entry level and they are out with our 75%. If the price continues to go up to 4R, they are selling everything and taking out profits. The same goes for the downturn. If we see a good opportunity in a daily chart, the price starts support once, second time, third time, it takes our attention. This is the next thing high, and once the coin breaks down, you are shorting a few cents below the support line. It put our stop immediately at the last swing high, and we take our profits at 2.5 risk to reward. We are moving our stop loss at the entry price. So if the price comes back, we are getting out with our 75%. If the price continues to go lower, they are pattern all at 4 risk. An example of our daily crypto breakout strategy was ADA trading few days ago. When we look at the daily chart, we could see this resistance level right here. This line was touched 3 times. First, second, third. Third time it touched, it got our attention. We could set to buy once it breaks out for a few cents. Our stop could be the low of this candle right here, which is the previous support level. Just 4 days later, the price reached 2.5 of our risk to reward. We could take 75% of the profit. As soon as we do that, we move our stock to an entry level. So if the price comes back, we are out with our 75% of the profit. But the price pulled back just a little and continued going up. Once the price reached 4 times of our risk, we could sell everything for 1 to 4 risk reward. An example of a shorting strategy was AVA trading a few days ago. We could also notice a change line. It was touched once, two, third time. As soon as it touched third time, we could pay attention to this coin. We could set a short a few cents under the line, and we could set our stop at the last resistance level. Once the price reached 2.5 of our risk, which was few days later, we could take 75% of our profits. Just 2 days later, we could take 4 times of our risk for profit. Also, pay attention to the rising volume after the breakout, which is also a good sign for our short